What's this?
Your birthday?
Hmm.
You kept complaining about your broken watch. So I figured, you know. You like it?
Langsung like.
Honey, this is... It's
What?
nice, but I think it's stuck. It's not...
What? No.
Langsung like.
Oh, ha ha.
Where did you get the money for this?
Drugs. I sell hardcore drugs.
Oh, good. You started helping out with the mortgage then.
Yeah, you wish.
Dang. Like pas gue mencet controller, cok, sumpah anjing.